On peut faire des grandes maisons comme ça. Hein.
Ouais. Parce que là, c'est clair.
Mais vous n'avez pas cette partie, vous?
Oui.
Vous l'avez?
Oui, on a tout.
Alors,
Nous,
je vous explique.
c'est à peu près la même,
Voilà.
le même taille.
Mais ici, les plafonds sont plus hauts.
Ouais.
Ouais.
Et là, très haut.
Ouais.
Monsieur. Was this some sort of hotel?
No, it was their office building.
Office?
Yeah.
Ooh, this was an office building?
Yeah, it was the Communist Party offices. And then this goes way up.
Did it just fall into disrepair?
Yeah. Okay, I'm up in the attic space. This is looking over the little hallway. I have a headlamp so we can actually see a little bit. So if you look up, it's having a hard time focusing. Looks actually really a lot like our hallway bedroom where Inga or Ivy used to sleep. Now let's go looking into the room, see if we can focus. So on the right, this is the door, right above the door. It's a blocked up transom window. So this is the false ceiling right here. Some pieces of wood just kind of lying here. Now I'm going to look across. This is the far wall up. So you can see there's this big beam spanning the entire room. Sorry, this is really tricky because my headlamp has to follow where I'm filming. Okay, in the corner, so underneath where you see this big plumbing stack, I'm just spanning back across the room again. But again, it's just mostly empty space with one big beam traversing it. No, for this spot. I'm saying for the very last